Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to charge realme trimmer. Okay, you can see here this is my trimmer and you can see the model number from here. I'm showing it, sorry, and now you can see that model number RMH2016. So, and you can see the input voltage 5 volt and 1 ampere. So that's guys, and you can see here behind this you can see there is a port. It is supported C port charging, and simply open that for charging and turn on your charger and simply connect your type C here. Okay, after that you can see there is a light is blinking, green light you can see here. So that's guys, in this way you can simply charge your realme trimmer. So it's very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.